This tutorial will go through how you can add your event to the Leeds University Union website. First of all, you need to go to the main Leeds University Union website, which is www.leedsuniversityunion.org.uk. You then need to log in to the website using your username and password. You will know if you've logged in properly as it says good afternoon or good morning to you at the top of the page. Go to the My Account button at the top of the page and click on Events Admin. You are now in the Events Admin section of the website where you can create your new event. Choose Create from Scratch and you'll be taken to an online form which you need to complete. In the organisation part of this form, I recommend you choose Leeds University Union to make sure for certain that your event gets listed in our events listings. You will need to enter the name of your event, in our example we'll use Fruity, and also the date and the time that your event will be taking place. When you are doing this, please make sure that the time that you use is a 24-hour clock and make sure that you use a colon to separate the figures. Then need to enter a tagline, so choose something short and snappy that will summarise your event and also make people want to click on your event to find out more. Select your event type. You can choose one or more of these depending on what is relevant. Leave the Include in Events program selected. This just means your event will be listed. You can use the external URL field if you have an external link that you'd like your event to be directed to. For example, this might be used for Leeds tickets. Enter your location of your event. Please make sure that you put Leeds University Union after the exact venue in case people are not familiar with the Union. Please select an image to go alongside your events listing. There are lots of images to the correct size in the website folder on the O Drive. You're welcome to use any of these that you find relevant. If you would like a specific image making up, please contact one of the designers in the marketing department and they can make one up for you. Once you've selected your image, please select it and click Insert. Your image will then be uploaded with your listing on the page. For the time being, please leave the next 3 boxes blank and ignore the box that says Brand. The box below titled Event Description is where you need to detail a complete description about your event. For example, you could detail who is hosting the event, where you can buy tickets, what will be going on, and any contact details for more information. It's important that when you're writing any copy for the website that you're being specific about what it is that you're writing about. For example, writing just GIAG for Give It a Go might not make sense to everybody that's reading the website. Don't assume that people know exactly what it is you're talking about. Another example would be for Fruity. Not everybody will know that it's a club night on a Friday night, so just bear this in mind when you're writing your event description. You can also include links in here to other websites. In this example, we'll use leedstickets.com. So all you need to do is write out your link, so www.leedstickets.com, and select the text and use the Insert Link button on the Control tab. Here is where you can choose to add a URL or an email link. In this example, we're using leedstickets.com, so just type the URL in the URL box. We also recommend that you click on the Target tab at the top of the Links page and change the target to blank. This will take the user to leedstickets.com in a new window while still remaining on the LUU webpage. You can also add an image to your event description by clicking on the Insert Image button on the control panel. Use the Browse and Upload tab to choose an image from your desktop to upload to the website. When you have found your desired image, just click on it and click Open, and then click Upload, and the image will be uploaded to the website. In the size boxes, if you leave the padlock on, the image will resize proportionately to the website. In the alternative text box, you'll need to write a short description of what the image actually is. This is for accessibility and for screen readers. Also embed YouTube videos by using the YouTube icon on the control panel and getting the embed source code for your video from YouTube and pasting it in the field provided. If you are copying and pasting information from Word or from any other external document, you will need to remove the formatting that it may already have on it. To do this, once you have pasted your information into the body box, Highlight it all and select the Clear Format tool on the control panel. This is the one that looks like a little brush. It is important to do this to ensure that all the text remains consistent and the same on the LUU website. Please leave the template field as default. If you are happy with what you have written and have checked it for spelling and punctuation, please click Save and your event will be saved to the website. You can still view and edit your event once you've uploaded it to the website. So now you've uploaded your event to your website, it might be worth just checking on the main LUU website to see where your event sits and to make sure that all the information is correct on screen. So here is my event, Fruity, and if I click on it, I'll be taken to the information that I've just entered into the form. If you wanted to make any changes or to edit or delete the event, you would go back into the ENTS admin by going to the My Account setting at the top of the page and clicking ENTS admin in the drop-down. Choose Edit Existing Event and find your event in the list below. By clicking on the notepad icon, you'll be taken back into the form that you've just filled in, where you can edit or change any of the information that you've just written. If you want to delete your event entirely, click on the red cross in the list of events, and then click Delete Event. This will delete the event from the website completely. And that is how you add, edit and delete events from the LUU website. If you need any help or have any queries about the website, please contact Emily Marsden on extension 379 or come and see her in the marketing office.